How to add Instagram notes on Reels and Post. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add Instagram notes on Reels and Post. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Instagram app on your device and simply choose any Instagram notes for reels or post. And suppose if this is the reel video where I wanna add Instagram notes on, simply tap show button and here you will see add note at bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you can easily type any message that you wanna add as a note. And then you can tap share button at bottom right. Or if you wish to share with the close friends only, you can tap followers you follow back and choose close friends, or else you can also choose followers you follow back and then tap the share button, and later you'll be able to see that we have successfully added Instagram notes on reels and post. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.